In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to tap on Display. Then scroll again. This time click on this section here. Code display size and text. And when you're ready, operate this slider under text size to adjust it. Now tap on the back button. And as you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!